Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. At CloudFoundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
H75 introduction, you're able to see the PowerPoint. Before we start, these are the basically course design points as we had a call earlier also. In that introductory call, we discussed that we will keep this session as a beginner-friendly one. It will be totally from scratch. Everything will be from scratch. We will be building up things on our own. Then, and the second thing is we will be keeping track of the important concepts. And I also want you to just note down whatever within the session, whatever I will tell you to note it down. Just note it down and keep track of those important concepts, because whatever I will tell you to note it down will be an important concept only within the session. I will let you know that please give a more importance to this one and that one, and then that would be good. And we will be using the like. We will be utilizing the availability of useful resources by useful resources. What I mean is basically some of the applications like Smart on FHIR applications. We will take a reference from other examples like if you do not understand anything, we will take a reference from the available useful resources. Also, there is a huge FHIR community. I will give you the references of that also wherever you are stuck while working with FHIR or understanding FHIR exact. Sorry about this one. Like pressure in terms of resources, do we need to take any subscription? Oh no, definitely not. I do not promote subscriptions and all, and I do not use them as well because you know what? Currently, the amount of data present on internet is vast. You know you can search for anything. You will get for free, definitely. I believe that first find it and then reach out to me. If you are not able to get the things, I will share all the documentation, the community channel. There are many people working on FHIR. They have built their own community which are ready to help everyone. I will share you the useful resources, links and also along with that, we will be having interactive examples and demos. This is the commitment expectation. This is for me. That is 20 hours. It is not limited to 20 hours because you had already worked in healthcare industry. I believe you will be able to grab things much quicker. But at the same time, you're totally new to technology. I believe it may extend also. That is totally fine. It may be extended a few hours. It may be wrapped up a few hours earlier. That is totally fine. But the minimum expectation, or let's say a kind of I'm setting up example, is basically I will have a 20 hours of sessions and along with that, what I am expecting from you. Basically, you expected a 20-hour session from me. But what I am expecting from you is basically 150 to 180 hours of effort from your end. That is why I am telling is, I just need some extra effort from you guys because we are totally switching our field. We are totally switching from non-technical to technical. Some more extra effort will be required. If we do their efforts initially, that will be like totally very good for us. The outcome which we will be, like you will be expecting from this course is basically all trainees will be in a position to create easy to medium complexity level of FHIR application and integrate this application into third party systems like EHR using Smart on FHIR. At the end of this course, you will be able to at least develop an easy to medium level of FHIR application which you can display in your resume as well. Along with that, I believe that you'll be able to answer most of the technical questions. If you are sitting in an interview or let's say some other job opportunity, you will be able to answer most of the technical questions. This will be the outcome you will be expecting from this course. Like Prashant, have you trained the same kind of person like who come from a non-technical to technical? Yes, definitely like who don't know the basic, like US healthcare industry. He has definitely done because everyone here is for learning and is totally new, not totally new, but very new concept in India. Yes, we recently fires in the fire. HL7 FHIR is introduced to India. That is why now many developers are emerging. And they are new to this thing. Man, they do not even know what US healthcare is. They do not even know what healthcare means. Because in India, we do not talk. We do not talk about healthcare at all. We just go to a doctor. We fill a form when the doctor will write the medication on that form itself. We will get it to we'll go to the medical, buy some medicines, and that's it. We are done. Yes, there is no record keeping. There is no nothing and nothing as of such that can be useful in that treatment. If you are asleep, if your medical form is lost, then again you need to get it treated again. All the things will repeat. This should not be the case. Many people, basically currently also I am having sessions with people who do not know even what healthcare is. That is totally fine. At least we are at a plus point here. At least we know the terminologies of healthcare and we are working in healthcare industry. This can be our major plus point. That is fine if you do not know any programming language anything. And this is all short things which do not basically make a change for me. And it should not also make a change for you. Because these things we can learn at any point of time. Just do not make any assumptions in your mind that man, I do not know this. I'm from a non-tech background. Do not think anything like this. Just do some manifest to that I can do this and I'm gonna do it. Do it because now already you are enrolled in the course. Now just think of it like this, that now I'm gonna do it. I guess you are clear on the course design points. Anything you would like to add within this course design points? Anything you want? That it should be implemented also might be. At the end of the session, we can provide some insight, good and understood about any clarification more needed about the course essentials and goals. Just we got to know that we need to have the understanding of programming basics and the rest, API basics, oh yes. Let me spread the links as well. Give me a minute please. You present the. If we dedicate around 3 hearts every weekend, it will be fine. Three hours every weekend. No, 3 hours every day hand. I mean learning out of the session things. I think it doesn't enough. We need to dedicate 180 hours, at least 10 to 15 hours on every Saturday and Sunday. What I believe is basically, if it's a learning curve from the start, only keep it high. Because at the end, everyone procrastinate and do things. It's the start of your course. Keep it high. Keep it at the level that when your level decreases also, the learning curve decreases also. It is at the point that it is a more than the mediocre ones. I think we can call it off for the day it was. Basically, let's keep it an introductory session only. We will begin our sessions from tomorrow. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.